You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly, meaning immortality in Biblical Greek, also a genus of flowering plants, daisy family. The Greek pronunciation and first, and then English pronunciation. In Greek, Biblical Greek, pronounced Athanasia. Athanasia. So if you're referring to the biblical name Athanasia, or in English it's pronounced, the English pronunciation is as Athanasia. Athanasia. So two correct pronunciations in English, how to pronounce Athanasia or Athanasia. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.